Today we're going to bring an ear cleaning kit. We're going to take a look at it and see how it works. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and open it up. This is pretty much the kit that you see. A retainer, so you could, drip the water in here, any dirty water and stuff like that. And you could just throw this, not the retainer, but the actual water away. Different types of actually points, and these are actually pretty good for because everybody's ear is a little different. So different measurements, different points. If you guys can see that, they give you quite a few of them in there. I'm gonna put that in here. This is a reflector, where we reflect the actual water or anything coming out of your ear back. When you're doing this, it's going to be in the tilt mode. I'm going to show you guys how in a way. And this is the actual system itself. And the pump itself is chargeable. There's no batteries necessary. So there is a charging station in here in the back. And the pressurized system is right here. There's a knob that tells you different sections. The one thing I like about it, that they give you all the clean ear tools necessary needed. They're all included in here. Every single one, even little scoopers, various connections, and also cleaning brushes so you could rinse them off and clean them. Look at that. The whole setup. And I'm going to show you guys when you turn it on, the light goes on and it's pushing out air, right? Because it's actually going to suck all the water from the bottom. And it has a little bow kind of thing in the bottom hanging in there. And this kind of drips in there. You gotta have to go in here, retain it here, twist it. That's pretty much it. This blocker goes in here. And then all you gotta do is just put in the nozzle and set it up and use the actual nozzle. So when you're using the nozzle, let's go ahead and open one up. All right, we're gonna select one nozzle right now. You guys can see that. You just point it in there and push it back in there, and that's pretty much it. Locks it in place. Now this part right here, it's a plastic. You don't have to put this on, but so when we reflect back and the water will come in and out, and it just gives you a sensation, small little pressure on the actual water. So we're going to take a look at how it works. So basically this is a demo of an ear. You put it in there and not too deep. You just push it and it throws in water as much as you can. So to change it, you just have to hit the button twice, real quick. So right now we are in number 2, number 3, number 4, and we're going to go to number 1, which is the slowest one. All right, for demo purposes, so you guys can see a visualization, I have a model ear here, and I'm just going to show you how much it works. So we're going to see if we could tilt it and to see it how deep. Don't put it all the way in, put it in here pretty much, and you hold down the button and it starts leaking. So let's take a look at the actual modes, all right? This is one mode first. We're going to do a real quick one. And it sprays a little bit, all right? Now we're going to change it to a different mode, number 2. A little bit more faster. And then we're going to go to number 3. You could hear it on there. And then we go to the last one, number 4. This is kind of like the last one. So push the button, and that's pretty much all the water. Look at that much water I did real quick. And go back to 1, all right? So very slow on the last one. And the one thing I like about this machine is that you see that little air, the little bubble thing, it floats, all right? So it's going to continue to go on the top. Even if the water drains, it goes down automatically, but it always retains the water. It gets the water, very simple, easy to use. I like this. So hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, this locks in when you actually push all the way to the back. So the shield, guard shield, locks in. Now, to turn it on, you hold down the button for 2 seconds and it turns on. Right now we have it on, all right? But I'm just going to show you the modes, all right? So we are in number 1 right now. And if you click on this, number 2, and this is a different mode. If you can hear number 3, number 4, and back to normal. And then we just click on it once and that's it. To turn off the light, turn off the power too. So we're going to test out the different modes. We're going to test out 1 other 2 or 3 different modes. So let's go ahead and do that.